Hi everyone, this is Smriti. Welcome to Q automation classes. And in the last class, we have seen the page object model design pattern. We have integrated that into our framework. So we created one page class, and all the web element what is required for our test case we have kept inside that page class, and the respective action methods also we had that inside the page class. And from the step definition, we are calling them and we are just executing those steps. Okay, and you also saw like how the driver control passed from the calling place, like the step definition to the constructor of the page class. Okay, and so today we are going to start looking into a new concept that is called as the reporting in Cucumber. Okay, so here we are going to understand the default reporting structure that is available in the Cucumber. So without wasting further time, so let's get it started. Okay, so since we have one feature file and it is automated, right, end-to-end automated, this feature file, and opening the sign up or login page. And if you see, let me take a screenshot here first. Okay, this is through the Cucumber runner. Why I'm taking the screenshot, I'll show you in a bit. Okay, we'll compare it. Okay, so now I took the screenshot of this last run. Okay, so the report is, if you see in the console, we see only whatever, right, whatever the SOP statements we have given, we see all those are coming in the console. Okay, we don't see anything else, right? And now let's see, let's go to the runner class. Where is our runner? Cucumber test runner, right? Okay, so now we have to use some default plugin, reporting plugin that is available in the Cucumber. Okay, so after this dry run equals to false, okay, we can add the reporting capabilities here. Okay, and here we'll go with the default reporting capabilities that Cucumber provides. Okay, even we can integrate the third-party reporting tools like Allure report or extend report that we'll see in the upcoming sessions. But now there are few other inbuilt reporting supports that is provided by the Cucumber. Okay, so let's go and try that. So let's say plugin. So we are to give the plugin. Okay, so plugin equals to, we have to mention what kind of the plugin we want, right? So we can say, okay, so curly braces. Okay, and we are going to go with the pretty format. Okay, so pretty, so we are going with the pretty format. Okay, so that is the first thing. And the second thing is so we will generate a HTML report. Okay, so for that, what we need to write, so you need to give HTML. Okay, let's keep it inside the double quote also. Okay, otherwise it will not work. So let's say HTML and colon target. Okay, HTML colon target, and then let's say I want to create it inside a Cucumber report folder. Okay, so let's say Cucumber reports. Okay, I'm saying Cucumber reports, and then let's say the name of the file should be report.html. Okay, so what does it mean? Okay, so this means I'm trying to the plugin, it says I'm trying to get the pretty format. Okay, and I'm trying to generate a HTML file. Okay, so target is like slash Cucumber reports, so there a folder will get created here with Cucumber reports. Okay, here if you see in the target, right, if you see in that, inside the target, we have generated test sources and test classes. Okay, we don't have any folder called the Cucumber reports. Okay, but this Cucumber reports will get created, and inside that report.html file will get created. Okay, so hope this is fine. Okay, so now you close the bracket over here, that is the option, like Cucumber options bracket. I can bring it here. Okay, right, so this is what. Okay, so let's run it and let's see what kind of the report we are getting. Okay, so Cucumber test runner, I can run from here, or I can right click and say run Cucumber test runner. Let's wait. Okay, navigate to the URL, it's loading the page, maximize the page, click on sign up or login, and close the browser. Okay, now see what are the changes we are seeing here. Okay, so if you see earlier, what was the output here and now what is the output here, okay, in the console. Let's first look into the console. Okay, so when I said I'm going with the pretty format, right, so login equals to pretty, right, so here the output it is coming differently. Okay, so you remember I have taken a screenshot earlier, right, so earlier only the SOP statements were coming in the console, right. If you see, when we run our Cucumber runner, we're seeing only the SOP statement that was coming, right. It was not that it was not that good, right. So if you see now, since I'm saying login equals to pretty, so in the pretty format it is logging in. So what exactly it is logging in? So see, scenario, right, navigate to sign up or login page. Okay, and this is open login page dot feature. Okay, so this is the path. Okay, and navigated to the application, right, and given user navigates to the application, clicked on sign up or login link. When user clicks on the sign up or login link, sign up or login page is displayed. The sign up or login page should be displayed. Okay, so these thing, right, these things are coming from our SOP statements. Okay, these things are nothing but it is coming from the SOP statement, and this is nothing but coming from your scenarios. Okay, so this is how it comes, right, and this is, if you see, given, when, then, and this is all from the scenario, and these are nothing but your the SOP statements that we have written. Okay, so it is coming like that. So we can do one thing. Let's go to the SOP statement. Where is the SOP statement? Inside the home page, clicked on sign up login link, right here you can see, clicked on sign up or login link, sign up or login page is displayed, sign up or login page is displayed, right. Okay, so given user navigates to the application, this is from the scenario, and then navigated to the application is coming, right, SOP statement, and after the execution of the each statement, it is giving the that corresponding feature file definition, or like feature file what we have defined. Okay, so this is one change. So you can see the things here in the response or in the console in a pretty format. Okay, and here you can see where exactly which methods are getting called, right. So step definition dot open login page step definition, then user navigates to the application. This is nothing but your step definition. It shows those step definitions. Okay, so this is the scenario, the line from the scenario what we have given, and what is the respective step definition. It shows properly. Okay, and this is one what you see in the console. And one other thing I told, right, so we are going to generate the report also. So what kind of report? We are saying HTML report, where in the target go to the Cucumber reports folder and report.html. So if you see, earlier we had only generated test sources and test classes, but now if you see, a Cucumber reports folder is got created, right. You can give any report, any name, so Cucumber reports or run results, anything, any name you want, you can give any name. Okay, I'm just giving the Cucumber report, and inside that I'm expecting a report.html file to be getting created. So now report.html file is getting created. So let's open this one. So if you double click on it, so it will give you the source code of that one, but we can open it in any of the browser. Okay, so click on the browser symbol. Okay, so now if you see, right, so this is a HTML file. Okay, so now what we see here, right, so if you see, the first thing is one passed, so there is only one scenario, and that got passed. 100% executed, 100% pass, one executed, right. 4 minutes ago it has ran. 4 minutes ago, the duration of the run is 14 seconds. Since we had only one feature file, it took only 14 seconds, and it has ran on the Windows 11, right. And this is the Java version on which it has run, right. 64-bit server, VM 21.0.1, 12 LTS, long-term support 29. Okay, this is the version of the Java where we're running. Okay, and we're using the Cucumber JVM 7.15.0. Okay, this is the overview. Okay, this is like environment related information. This three in the second row, if you see, these are environment related configuration, and here the test whatever the got executed, that related information is there. And now, okay, so if you expand here, okay, you will see it lists that feature also that got ran. Okay, so this is the name of the feature, this is the scenario, and these are the steps, and each step is passed. You can see, right, each step is passed. So this is nothing but your one of the report, that is nothing but your Cucumber HTML report. This is the default reporting. Till now we are talking about the default reporting. Okay, so we have not touched the third-party reporting tools like we have Allure report or Extend report, right? That we'll see later. But similarly, the Cucumber provides few other reporting mechanism also. This is one of the HTML report user, right? So similarly, we can go with the JSON report. Okay, so how to write that JSON report? So here, so this is HTML. Okay, so now let's go with the JSON report, comma. Okay, after giving comma, let's go with the JSON report. So here you have to say within the double quote, of course, JSON colon, and you have to give the target. Where is the target? So I'll say, okay, let's go to the same Cucumber reports folder, Cucumber reports. Okay, so inside the Cucumber reports folder, and I'll give name of the file. Okay, I'll say report.json. So we are creating a JSON file now. Okay, report.json. Okay, hope it is clear, right? So it's similarly how we given HTML. Similarly, we are creating a JSON report, and the target, inside the target, Cucumber reports report.json. Okay, this is what we are going to create now. Okay, so now let's run and see what is happening, if that JSON report is getting created or not. So let's run the Cucumber test runner. Okay, so let's wait for it to finish the execution. Okay, fine. So oh, sorry. So it got created, but there was a spelling mistake here. So let me do one thing. Let's go here and say Cucumber reports. Okay, fine. So we'll delete this one and we'll try to rerun it. Okay, so let's delete this one. Okay, so anyhow you can see the report.json. I'll just open it. Okay, let's copy this one and let's go to any of the JSON formatter. In the meantime, let's run it one more time so that both of them will get created over here. Okay, I just copied the current report. So let's go and say JSON formatter or something. I can say JSON formatter. Okay, so let's go to this JSON formatter. Okay, still executing. Okay, cool. So let's keep it here. So now you can see, so this is the report that got generated. Okay, so if you see it as lines, element, start time, stamp, name, okay, description, ID. So we can parse this JSON and we can understand what exactly the things are getting created over here. But why exactly we need this JSON report, right? We have a beautiful HTML report that we can show it to the management, but who will read this JSON format reporter? What is the use of this JSON format reporter, right? It doesn't has that much of readability, right? So actually these JSON reports are extensively used to pass to the third-party tools, right? To represent the run report visually, which we will see later actually. Okay, this JSON report will be passed to some other tool, okay, some other third-party tool. So from this they will extract that information and they will beautifully present it in the UI. Okay, so you will see the new report will be even better than this HTML report. Okay, if you will integrate that third-party reports. So now I think the execution is done. So you can see Cucumber reports. Here we have report.html, we have report.json. Okay, so till now we have seen two types of the report that is getting generated. One is the HTML report, one is the JSON report. Okay, so apart from that, we can create a JUnit XML report also, right? So the XML format is usually understood by the most of the continuous integration servers, right? And it will be used to generate the visual report from out of that. Okay, so let's see how exactly you can use the generate this XML report. So here comma, and here we need to give, right? So let's say JUnit similarly. So let's say JUnit colon target. Okay, and slash Let me copy this time. I don't want to have any spelling mistakes, otherwise a new folder will get created. Slash, I'll say report.xml. Okay, so now we have report.html, report.json, and report.xml. okay, this is basically for the continuous integration servers. Okay, they will read this XML, and this is basically for the any other third-party tools which will read these values and it will represent it in the graphical format. Okay, so now let's run it one more time. So we have HTML and JSON. Now after execution we should see one of the XML report also. So let's run it and see. And whatever these three reporting structure I'm demonstrating here, these are all default to the default by default it is available to the Cucumber plugin, right? So we are mentioning them with the help of the plugin, right? So this is by default to the Cucumber plugin. Without using any of the third-party library also we can create the reports. Okay, these are the default reports that is provided by the Cucumber plugin only, right? So this is the Cucumber plugin, right? Here we're saying pretty, and then we're saying HTML report, then go with the JSON report, then go with the JUnit XML report, right? So now let's see report.xml got created. Okay, so here if you see, you can pretty well read this one, right? So given user navigates to the application, this is the given statement, right? And okay, here we can see first test shoot name is Cucumber. Okay, test case class name open sign up or login page. Okay, so open sign up or login page, let's go here and see open sign up or login page, right? So this is what is coming. Okay, and navigate to sign up or login page name. So here if you see, you are saying navigate to the sign up or login page. Okay, and then this given, when, then, and. Okay, so these things are coming here. Okay, given, this statement is first. When user clicks on sign up or login page, this is also first. Then sign up or login page should be displayed, this is also passed, and user closes the browser, that is also passed. Okay, so these things are passed. So this is nothing but one of your XML reports. So by default Cucumber plugin has the three different types of the report. One is the HTML, one is the JSON, one is the XML. So there are three different types of the report that is available through the Cucumber reporting. Okay, so gradually when we keep on enhancing our framework, we'll be using the third-party reporting tool, and we will be generating more beautiful reports, UI reports, okay, compared to this whatever is getting generated. Okay, so that's all to this class, guys. And if you guys are really enjoying this sessions, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, just put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And let's do one thing, let's start committing this code also, right? So I don't think I have not yet committed anything till now. Okay, I can just do a commit. Okay, so default reporting is added, default Cucumber reporting is added. Okay, so before that I can say what else we did before to that we did the page object model implemented, page object model implemented, and say I could have committed after each class, but yeah, that's okay. So page object model added, and we added those dependencies, that's all. Okay, let's give only these two statement. Okay, and I can say commit. I'm not going to push anything to the remote because I have not yet defined it. Okay, so now if you see committed BDD selenium framework reporting. Okay, so this is already committed. So now let's say commit all. Okay, stage file to commit. I have to stage it first, right? I think I have staged it, right? Why did I stage it? It's saying stage file to commit. Okay, stage, no problem. So now let's add. So committed. Okay, fine, nothing to commit, so working to clean. Okay, so we committed. Okay, so if you want, we can go to the git and we can see okay, git, and okay, so git log. Okay, So now a minute ago, 2 minutes ago, page object model implemented, and default cucumber reporting also implemented. So it's showing a linear view. Okay, that's okay. So going forward, after end of the each class, we'll be trying to commit the whatever the changes we have done, and finally we'll push this all those commit to the remote repository, and I'll share that URL with everyone. Okay, so thank you guys. Please do subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, put them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you are really liking the series, then please give me a thumbs up by liking the content. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Bye bye.